every Mac comes preloaded with 10.6.3 now, and it's legal along with the iLife or 9. So you don't have to worry about if you update it, you might have to lose the things, because those are updated properly from the manufacturers, and also you can re-update anytime you like because they are legal. This is very important. And secondly, Apple claims on their website that Mac Apple just works right out of the box. They were right, but not entirely right. You still have some missing resources inside your Mac, which could be added on through the Apple website. I'll give you the list briefly what you have to do. Firstly, you go to the Apple website, just type Apple and /download, and you go to the top download. You see a pop-up list appears on the screens. I want you to download Firefox to your Mac first. In general, Safari, it doesn't support Flash very well. So in order to serve any Flash web or DirectX webs, you have to use Firefox. Firefox is free and legal. You can use Firefox as a web browser instead of Safari. When the Safari is not working, you can use the Firefox instead. In most cases, it should be working properly. Apart from Firefox, there are another two world-renowned web browsers which could be downloaded for free, which is firstly called Google Chrome's and Opera's web browser. Secondly, I want you to download Flip4Mac. Flip4Mac is pretty much the same as WMV players. Because if you don't download Flip4Mac onto your Mac, you might have to experience some difficulty watching any online clips on the internet. So Flip4Mac is very important. Thirdly, VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is very important. Why? Because every Mac comes with an application called DVD Player. But the DVD players allow you to change the region code for one DVD to be played only 5 times in the Mac's lifetime. That means you have placed the zone number 4, which is the North America, on your Mac, and someone from Southeast Asia bought your DVD, which is the zone number 3. Mac's only allowed to change that back and forth 3 times, and then the drive will be locked again. But if you use the VLC, it allows you to play any DVD on Earth, along with the numbers of types of media files in the world. So VLC is a must-have application that you have to install on your Mac. Fourthly, if you just put any kinds of documents or files on your desktop and you just do the right clicks on that file, it appears pop-up menus on the files. You can choose compress to zip the file and send for a minimum size that could possibly done. But if you might happen to have received any zip file from any PC user, visit your peers or colleagues or probably maybe your boss, how can you going to unzip that file? Of course, in the list, it's called Zip Expander application called StopLid Expander. This is a must-have application on your Mac. It allows you to unzip any files that has been sent from any Macs or PC users in the world. And lastly, more importantly, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Before you spend your money for the Microsoft Office 2008 and the upcoming 2011 from Microsoft, which is called Microsoft Office for Mac, just type in search in the search blank, okay, of the Apple website interface, just type in Neo Office. Neo Office. Neo Office has been developed by Sun Microsystems at first. The name was Open Office, and there was another company called Paramus, brought it and then modified just a bit, and today it fits perfectly well with Mac. The size of this application is extremely huge, around 200 megabytes. So please kind of be patient during the downloading procedure. Neo Office includes Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and they are fully compatible with any PC user. Okay? And lastly, don't forget to use your right. The right is, firstly, you can go to the Apple website and download the 30-day trial versions of iWorks 09 for free. They are fully functional along with the apertures 3 for free for 30 days. Why did I recommend you to download any of the things? Because it's your right. Because they are not some sort of stripped down applications. There were not some sort of like torn down, stripped down or demonstration features. They are fully functional suit. So I think you should use your right carefully. This is very important. It's your right. It's like your right to vote for the president or the prime minister. As again, now in Thailand, outside of my house, they are now having some gunfires due to the red shirt protests. But I'm still continuing doing my job well. I'm teaching people to use the Mac because I have devoted myself to be Mac slave to the last day of my life, because Mac gave me my family, food, clothes, and everything in life. Mail me something, we can discuss them more. If you have any questions, don't be hesitant to mail to me directly. Thanks for watching.